It's day 3. Open it up. Send your relatives home. It's not very nice, but it's a good idea. It's Wednesday. Is it? No, it's Thursday. You see, the bottle reminds you. So clever. And today we've got spiced pear and cinnamon. So I wonder what we're going to make with this. Maybe we're going to make a cinnamon and rosemary G&T. We're going to get some brown sugar. Put it in there. So we're going to add the whole bottle. Because it's Christmas. Well, after Christmas. Like that. Stir it, till it's all dissolved. Got a glass. Pop some ice in it. And we're going to add a little dehydrated orange. Or just cut the one up that's in the fruit bowl that's dehydrated itself. And we're going to get a little sprig, oh look at that, rosemary in there. We're going to pour our little yummy mix over the top. Like that. And top it up with tonic water. Look at that! It's Christmas in a glass, right there! Cheers!